Welcome to the world according to Larry. In today's video, we're going to install an illuminated bow tie on my 2018 Camaro SS. The tools required for this job are pretty limited, and here's what they are. A T15 Torx wrench, a metal pry tool, a 10mm socket and ratchet. I have an extension on it, an 1 3/4 hole saw, a 3/16 spiral drill bit to create the pilot hole for the hole saw, and lastly, a drill. That's what you need for this install. See what I'm doing here? This is so important to keep your thumb on the top of the retainer pin. And I'll give you an example why. No! Fortunately, I got lucky and it landed on a flat surface and I was able to pull it out. I want to remove the 8 T15 nuts holding this strap in. There's 4 per side. You pull it out. Here's the other side. Now you're going to remove the 6 10mm nuts. This is all to get to remove the front fascia support, which is this big metal plate. If you can choose the warmest day possible and have someone help you, it makes it go much easier. I did not scratch my car, but I would recommend putting a t-shirt between your car and this metal plate. But the front assembly is fairly flexible, and the warmer it's going to be, the more flexible it will be. What you need to understand is that the instructions actually tell you to take off the entire front of the car. I wasn't going to do that. This is how I went about it. It says to take the front of the car off, then take the grill out of the front of the car and do what I'm doing. This proved to be an extreme challenge. I tried for a long time, and eventually I got tired of that. And I pulled out the plastic pry tool, I put the metal pry tool in, and I pushed without a lot of effort, and I broke the tabs. I'm not going to guarantee that this is going to work for you, but this is what the tabs look like. They broke off, and I wish I had tried it earlier. The grill was not worse for the wear from doing that. Next thing you want to do is look at what you have in front of you. They have nice outlines, where to drill the pilot hole, and then where to put the pilot bit for the hole saw. They give you 2 different sizes, but use the maximum. This is the pilot hole I'm drilling right now. Switch bits to the hole saw. This is where it gets scary. My God, I'm drilling a hole in my car. 1 3/4 inch hole in the front of my car. Yikes. Now they suggest putting the emblem on the front like that and then snaking the wire from behind. And maybe that's a good plan if you took the front of the car off. But I'm assembling it all together right now, and I'm going to snake it through that hole. So here's a marker. They want you to secure that 50 millimeters forward of the lamp harness clip and secure the jumper harness to the forward lamp harness with a tie strap provided in the kit. I did that initially and then I had to adjust it. So you snake it along the cross member. This is what it looks like as it's coming out of the grill. That is the glow tie emblem snapped into the grill. We've got a little sunlight coming through there. And here's the cable running along the forward lamp harness, and there it is secured at the 50 millimeter mark. Continues on, and it goes through that hole underneath the battery well. You want to lift your car up, take the wheel off, you want freedom of movement here. These are T15 nuts as well. You want to remove them. There's 4 of them that I have removed. Above and below this hole. 1 in the middle. And I even remove this upper one here. Open this up. Right. That is the daytime running light system right there. That silver can up at the top. And here is the connector connected. It comes down from the center of that, and to remove it you want to pull this red tab down. Once everything's connected, time to put it all back together. Goes together a little easier than it came apart. Once again, 2 people is crucial to pull the fascia away. Right. Let's reinstall the nuts. As you're putting these plastic strips back in, be careful. They have little tabs, just like on the back of the bow tie. And if you don't line it up right and you push really hard, you can bend them and make them useless. I came pretty close to that. And this is the finished view. I think it looks awesome. It is so cool. You've been experiencing the world according to Larry, and I'm Larry, and this is the world I live in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like it, share it. I would love to hear your comments, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe. And until then, I'm in my world.